Got some sun out there, but I saw there's a dark line on the horizon.
It's starting to become a little cloudier. Actually, a much quieter day in progress compared to what we were dealing with yesterday at this time. And hey, we'll take it, right?
Absolutely.
Let's kick you outside, take a look at the radar view right now. And there have been a few showers and thunder showers which have tried to develop, mainly well off to the east of Buffalo during the late morning hours. We actually had a few showers even back around 9 a.m. during the Winging It show. We were tracking them right along Route 20 here to the southeast of Buffalo. This stuff seems to be working further to the east, and the main bulk of the heavy-duty weather action, at least across the state of New York today, is going to be felt more toward the eastern side of the state and the central portion of the state. Now, that's not to say that something very spotty may not pop up across our area this afternoon, but there's going to be less of it than other areas further to the east. Great news tracker shots coming in from yesterday. Mike and Debbie sending the shot in from Attica. This rain shaft coming down from the thunderstorm, just pouring down across that part of Wyoming County. Brian sending this shot in from South Buffalo, the lightning bolt, the small boat harbor or off the harbor. And Maryland showed the hail-covered ground down at Holland yesterday. In fact, we had reports of 1-inch diameter hail from East Aurora during the midday and afternoon hours yesterday. I'm going to take you back to that graphic. We kind of skipped over that, but the microcast this afternoon is trying to spin up at least a few spotty showers and thunder showers across the area. But again, the coverage is going to be very sparse this afternoon, and anything that were to develop would be much less intense, at least than what we were dealing with yesterday afternoon. All that by the boards already. By late afternoon, we have another little shot of drier air that's working in here, and cooler air too. So tonight's going to be even cooler than last night. If you thought it was comfortable for sleeping last night, it's going to be even better tonight with partly clear skies. Fog's going to develop, though, especially in inland areas. Could be locally dense in the river valleys by tomorrow morning. After the fog list tomorrow's going to turn out to be a great day. Maybe a few fair weather cumulus clouds and the higher terrain for good mix, but otherwise just a beauty. And on Thursday, a warm front approaches from the southwest that will trigger a new round of scattered showers and storms across the area as we get into Thursday. High temp forecast about 80 at the Falls this afternoon, also at Grand Island, Tonawanda, Amherst, Clarence, off to the east of Buffalo, and Cheektowaga, Lancaster, and Alden. 79 at Medina, up through Batavia, off to the east, and upper 70s here at Wellsville and Olean, back to the west, even across much of Chautauqua County. You're high in the south towns this afternoon. Hamburg, Orchard Park, and East Aurora, about 80 degrees. And that's where we're at right now. 80 at the airport, 81 at Dunkirk, 78 from the Falls, a 77 down there at Jamestown. It's actually a little on the humid side. The humidity is actually increasing a little bit ahead of this very weak weather boundary that's heading our way today, but then it'll drop off again later this afternoon and getting into tonight. We have most of the dew point temperatures into that humid range, at least the low 60s across western New York. Sunset time 8:42, and the water temperature, actually this didn't update, but it dropped back to 79 degrees on us today off Buffalo. For this afternoon, partial sun, spotty showers and thunderstorms end by evening. They will be very spotty, actually, a bit on the breezy side, especially in the metro, 78 to 82. For the overnight, look for partly cloudy skies with areas of fog developing after midnight. Could be locally dense in the river valleys by morning, down to 52 in the valley, 63 in the city. Then tomorrow, early fog, mostly sunny after that. Just a great day for Wednesday, pleasant, 78 to 83. More scattered showers and storms redevelop on Thursday with a high between 79 to 83. There's a chance of a few spotty showers and thunder showers on Friday, but a lot of rain-free time, I think, on Friday, 85. And most of the upcoming weekend appears to be rain-free. Maybe a thunder shower toward the PA line on Saturday.